And Pacific greetings. Welcome back to the second part of the Pacific Health Talanoa show with Lorenzo, the 1st of September 2021. 1,184,022 people are now fully vaccinated. Yesterday, 76,354 vaccines were administered. Of this, 53,032 tests were first doses and 23,322 were second doses. Oh man, amazing work out there in New Zealand. Joining me on the show to talk more about their work, because pretty sure Tamaki Health has played a massive part in achieving those numbers, as Rachael Scully, the Director of Nursing for Tamaki Health. Welcome on the show, Rachael.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here today. That's been actually, it's a real honour to be invited onto this kōrero around our vaccine sites and sharing the knowledge and the mahi that we do at Tamaki Health. So, ngā mihi nui.
Ngā mihi nui, Rachael. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule. I know you might be at the Ranui PAC vaccination centre. You could be at the Airport Oaks vaccination centre. Who knows? But thank you so much for having the time to bear with our Pacific and our Māori community on this platform. Tell me, how's everything going at your vaccination centres?
So we've had some really good turnout. I think what happened with level 4 is that we had, a lot of fear around specifically Māori and Pacific whānau coming to get vaccinated, and is this the right time for them to get vaccinated? Because they're out in an area where the Delta variant is very transmissible amongst our Pacific whānau. So in order for Tamaki to keep our whānau safe, or our Pacific whānau safe, what we did was we did close down for one day, and we realigned our vaccine sites to ensure that people that were coming through were safe distancing, that they were looked after, their safety was maintained, and there was a lot of information around ensuring that everyone gets vaccinated. And so the closing down for that one day was allowing us to reconfigure our sites to keep everyone safe. So on that, we opened up again, and our Pacific Island Church in Ranui has really supported PI whānau to come through. It's a place of worship, which is also a very humbling experience for us as Tamaki Health staff, because it's a beautiful place. We've been very well looked after, and also our people that are coming through are also well looked after. So yeah, we're doing well. It's a busy time, and I would encourage those who are a little bit hesitant to come through, because we have information sheets from the Ministry of Health around COVID-19 vaccine facts, and also we have getting your COVID-19 vaccine and what to expect. And our staff are really knowledgeable around answering those questions that you may need answers to.
Thank you so much, Rachael. As the biggest, health provider who encounters Manukau for our Pacific people, what have been some of the challenges that your team has been facing in the last couple of weeks?
I'd say that we're not too vastly challenged as far as access is concerned. What we want to do for our whānau is to ensure that there is access for everybody. Some of the challenges that we have endured is that the booking system might not be right, and whānau don't understand that there is a booking system that we have, and we do go through that booking system. There's also some understanding, some people don't have an understanding of how to use that booking system.
Yeah.
So when they do come to our site, we ensure that access is accessible to them. We don't turn them away. We help them with the booking system, but we also support them through the vaccine site by allowing them to walk in. And that's the best way to have our Pacific whānau come through. I don't think we've had much more challenges than that, though.
What has been some of the response? What is the response like from our Pacific and our Māori whānau, towards vaccination?
Oh, so positive. I can actually just talk today. I'm actually at Stoddard Road, local doctors. We've opened it today. And I had a young Samoan boy come through, and he was such a delight. He came through, he was very nervous, and he decided that he would come and get his vaccine. And we had a big kōrero talk around the vaccine with him. And I vaccinated him, and he said, "Oh, have you finished?" And I said, "Yes." And he said, "Oh, that was easy, eh?" And I said, "It's really easy." And so then we had a chat afterwards, and he goes, "I'm going to ring my mum." And so his mum and his dad drove down here, and we vaccinated mum and dad soon after. But he went out, and he was the advocate for us. We weren't the people that talked to mum and dad. It was their young son that went out and said, "These are the things that the vaccine facts, and this is what to expect." And then we brought them in a place of safety where they felt welcome. And mum was like, "Oh, I don't know what I was worried about." She, gave her husband a tap, and she said, "Now you go get it." So, and I said, it was really positive outcome for that whānau, because now we have first dose of that whānau. And I'm really humbled that that young Samoan boy was the advocate for the rest of his whānau.
Wow, great, Rachel. If you have a vaccination book, please go as planned under alert level 3 and 4, unless you have been contacted and told it is cancelled. When booking appointments, remember to stay local and book as close to home as possible. For more information, please visit our website, www.localdoctors.co.nz, for more information about making an appointment, or visit bookmyvaccine.covid19.health.nz. Rachel, one more question. With all the conspiracy theories, misinformation, which is making our Pacific and our Māori whānau unsure about the vaccine, what would be your advice for them?
I think come and talk to us. Come down. Come and have a chat to us. We're here. We're a knowledgeable team. We're not here to convince you. We're here to support you through your health journey and make sure that our whānau are safe, and they're also safe for our future. It's our whakapapa that we're trying to protect.
Thank you so much, Rachel. Everyone in Aotearoa, New Zealand, aged 12 years and over, can book their free COVID-19 vaccination now. It doesn't matter what your visa or citizenship status is. No passport is required. No passport is required. Contact local doctors on 09 274 7623. Ka pai, thank you so much, Rachel, for coming on the show. I applaud and I commend, I take my hat off, to you guys. Shout out to the team at Tamaki Health, all your vaccination stations or your testing stations. May God bless, and I will keep in touch with you. Thank you so much, Rachel.
Thank you. No mai, haere mai.
No. Rachael Scully, the Director of Nursing for Tamaki Health, having a kōrero about the awesome work that the whole Tamaki Health team is doing to deliver vaccinations and to do testings at their testing station. Wow. Now, for more information, I mentioned the website. Their website is www.localdoctors.co.nz, or visit bookmyvaccine.covid19.health.nz. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be right back for the third part of Pacific Health Talanoa with Lorenzo today. See you soon.
baby. Rex, J. Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say I'm marking, say you are complete to me, Agelio. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in the come here. Yeah, they on the nail, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, I'm in and not the bite to get out. Say,